I saw this guy struggling over here, so I'm just gonna see if there's anything I can do for him. Looked like he had a horrible jack, and I don't know, it looks like a really bad situation. So let's see what we can do. Is there any way I can help you? I got a jack and an impact. Or are you good?
I think I'm good.
You sure?
If I can get it up.
I got a nice jack and everything.
All right, you know.
Yeah, let me help you out. Let me go grab it. Let's see. It should sit there. Hold on one sec.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Watch out, man. Better watch out. Watch these calls.
Yeah. Yeah, not the best spot, huh? Okay. And let me grab an impact real quick. Nice to have the good tools, huh?
Yes, sir. And I can't put this damn thing on for me.
No worries, I got you. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. I got an air compressor too, so I think it has enough air in it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
What I owe you?
Nah, you don't owe me anything, man.
Thank you.
I just got a mobile repair business, so you know, I got everything. So that's why I wanted to help you out. I'll get you a card though, for sure.
Yeah. That's what I need, Rich. That's what I need.
Yeah, Harbor Freight.
I'm scared somebody's gonna steal it.
Yeah, I mean, I had pretty good look. I leave this thing on here, and I'm everywhere. I really had no problems, but let me see if I do got a card. I don't know if I ran out. Oh, I think I got one. Yeah.
So this is what you do?
Yeah, I have a business, and I do, you know, roadside assistance or brakes or suspension, all sorts of stuff.
So you a mechanic?
Yes, sir. Yep.
So, if I got a car, ain't going on that side.
Yeah, I know.
Not have to.
It's too close, yeah. Oh, I got my handle, right? Yeah, okay.
No, I got it. I'll put it over there.
All right, perfect. Take care.
All right, thank you.
All right, guys. Just like that. If we can make someone's life a little easier, then it's a win-win. All right, y'all. Have a good one. Peace.